Hello students, in this class we are going to study human genetics, some definitions and applications of human genomics. Now, human genetics, the definitions of eugenics, euthenics and euphenics. Then what is human genomics and what is the usefulness of human genomics to mankind. So that we will study. Human genetics. So genetics is the study of genes, and if you are referring to the genetics of humans, so the study of genes of humans, so that generally means the study of human genetics. Now there are three definitive words which are associated with human genetics, and we'll study them, we'll understand them separately. So first one is eugenics. The definition of eugenics is the study of or the possibility of improving the qualities of the human species or human population by means such as discouraging reproduction by persons having genetic defects or presumed to have inheritable undesirable traits, or encouraging production by persons presumed to have inheritable desirable traits or characters. So eugenics is a field where it mainly concentrates on the selection of good individuals so that only the good genes pass on to the next generation. By that, it ensures the generation with fit genes. So that is what the eugenics refers. So the next word is euphenics. Now euphenics is the therapeutic techniques. It refers to the therapeutic techniques and procedures for amelioration of the deleterious phenotypic effects of a genetic defect, especially without altering the genetic makeup of the germ plasm of the individuals. So now before euphenics, we have to understand one more word, that is euthenics. Now eugenics mainly concentrates on selection of the characters, desirable characters, whereas euthenics refers to the practice of providing good environmental conditions, good nutrition, etc., which help to keep the humans healthy. So, euthenics is nothing but a science concerned with bettering the condition of human beings through improvement of their environment. Here, environment means the conditions where the humans live, and also the nutritions, the nutritious food, and it's a broad term which includes everything which keeps the humans fit and healthy. So that's euthenics. So in eugenics, you are selecting the best human beings, and in euthenics, you are providing all the good conditions, good nutrition, so that they remain healthy. And the last one is euphenics. So euphenics refers, or it is the thing which deals with the procedures, the practice of curing the genetic defects. So it is nothing but a gene therapy. So whenever there is a defect in gene, you are going to cure them by different methods. So these are the three important words which are associated with human genetics. Now I can compare eugenics, euthenics, and euphenics with our daily life example. Just think of you or your parent is going to buy a new vehicle. Let us say you are planning to buy a new car. So what you will do, first you are going to select the best. Now you are going to select a vehicle with the desired character. So which type of color you want, what is the size, and some other aspects. Like you have some features, required features, and you are going to select the model, the car, which meets the standard of your expectation. So that is something like eugenics. So in the same way, here we are going to select the humans with desired characters. And then let us come to the automobile. What we do, once we purchase it, we bring it to our home. Then what we do, we maintain it. How? We provide good condition, we keep it in our garage, we protect it from the sunlight, we protect it from the water, rain, so like that. So we are going to maintain it, and we call it as maintenance. Of course, maintenance costs. So acquiring the material with required character is one part. Then you have to maintain it so that it can give good service to you. So that is the second part. And the third thing is what you will do if something goes wrong. Let us say there is something wrong with the brakes, something wrong with the air conditioning system. What you will do, you are going to repair it. So that is euphenics. So eugenics, you are going to select a product, a human being with desired characters. And in euthenics, you are going to provide good nutrition, good environmental conditions so that they can remain healthy and they can work with optimum capacity. They can provide good, they can work better. And if something goes wrong, if they become ill, then you are going to treat them. Now, here the treatment mainly involves the knowledge or understanding of the genes. So this is how we can compare the eugenics, euthenics, and euphenics with the buying, maintenance, and repairing of a vehicle. So this is just an example. Don't use it in your exam. Now let us see some information about human genomics. So there was a project called Human Genome Project. It was an international collaborative research program, and its main goal was to completely map all the genes of the human beings. We all know that there are 23 pairs of chromosomes with thousands of genes in them. So Human Genome Project's aim was to identify all the genes associated with humans and mapping them and having a good understanding. So that is the goals. Here in detail, you can go through this. And now, as far as our syllabus is concerned, let us see what happened during Human Genome Project. So it's a big project in which many countries collaborated, thousands of scientists involved, and at the end of this project, they came up with results like it revealed that there are about 20,500 human genes, and the results are published. The information about all these genes is available on the net, and these informations which are actually produced during Human Genome Project are nowadays being used for various purposes, especially regarding the human health. Now, the human genomics Even WHO identifies its importance because the knowledge which is obtained during this Human Genome Project can be applied for the benefit of humans. Now, what are the applications? Here you can see the knowledge, uh, the Human Genome Project. So its goal was to identify all the genes and to determine the sequence of DNA, and then after identifying all this information, store this information in a database so that anybody can access it, and then develop tools for analysis of such a big data, which is now available in the form of NCBI website. And then its applications. Nowadays, the information which is available, which is deposited in the databases, are being used by the scientists and scientists all over the world. And its applications, the major applications of Human Genome Project involve molecular medicine. And here, DNA based tests for diagnosis. Uh, with the help of molecular based diagnostic kits, it is very easy to identify the diseases or disease causing organisms very quickly in a very cost effective manner. So that is one of the most important applications of Human Genome Project. The data which we obtained through the Human Genome Project is nowadays being used to create such DNA based diagnosis kits. And it can also be used to detect the genetic deformity, the genetic abnormal genes which are present in the family that can be identified. And so before the birth of the child or before the disease appears, it can be identified, because the presence of gene itself is an indication that in the future, at a certain age, a particular type of abnormality or a disease may come to the person, or the person may suffer from that disease or condition. So that can be identified with the help of all this knowledge which is obtained through this Human Genome Project. And it is also used in different fields like waste control and environmental cleanup, biotechnology, and energy sources, risk assessment, and the knowledge which is obtained by the Human Genome Project. It also has some ethical, legal, and social implications. So one can go through this document for the detailed aspects. Okay, that's about the human genetics and the definitions of these three terms, and what is Human Genome Project and what are the applications of Human Genome Project. Now this is a journal which is dedicated to the publications of research associated with human genomics. So its scope says human genomics focuses on the application of genomic approaches to improve understanding of human disease, drug discovery, and variable drug reaction. It brings together academics and practitioners in industry who are actively interested in releasing the full potential of the ever expanding Human Genome Project. So that's the journal which is mainly dedicated to the human genomics. Okay.